how to uninstall osu and all of its dependencies from your Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can uninstall osu and all its dependencies with just a single click. So for that, go to the search bar and search for settings, and just go to the settings, and within the settings you can click onto this apps option. Now within the apps, go to the installed apps, and within the installed apps you can see the osu and all of its dependencies. So in order to make things easier, you can simply type in osu and it will show you all of the skin packs or any other packs that you have in related to osu. So from here, in order to uninstall this, simply click on these three dots and click on install, and then again click on install. Now you can also remove the data from the Chrome as well, as it is a Chrome application. And to delete the OSU laser, you can simply click onto these three dots, again click on install and uninstall, and wait for the installation process to start. Now once the installation uninstallation process has been started and completed, you will see the message that says the application was successfully uninstalled. Click onto this OK and all of those dependencies will be removed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.